Did you know that Rototank's 30-year history and solid track record comes with superior workmanship?
Hi, I'm Mr. Rototank. I'm designed to incorporate strength, reliability, durability, and keeping your safety in mind. That's why Rototanks don't collapse, crack, leak, or burst. Ha! I'm known as the heavyweight in the industry because my weight is way above the SANS approved standard.
Each Rototank is well designed and molded from certified food-grade approved plastic and reinforced with extra strength ribbing rings to ensure consistent wall thickness.
And you know what? My insides are also coated with a black lining to prevent algae growth. My black and red connectors seal tightly and come standard with every Rototank. Rototank connectors also offer a knockout option to use or not use the overflow. And watch this! These sturdy tie-downs prevent Rototanks from falling over or moving. Other water tank brands harvest water through unsafe, wide manhole lids that allow the collection of debris, vegetation, and even rats. Yikes!
Rototanks have safe, child-proof, distinctive red screw-on manhole caps and red connectors, as well as explicit reinforced side ribbing.
And my free unique leaf trap keeps debris out. We take our tank business seriously.
All Rototanks come with an 8-year warranty, SANS, Agreement, ARMSA, and Master Builders Association approval.
For extra peace of mind, our well-trained professional technical backup team provides superlative after-sales service.
Most importantly, Rototank provides free delivery countrywide. Rototanks can also be transported by Bucky, or you can easily strap one onto a car rack.
I'm Mr. Rototank, your top pedigreed tank. Bye-bye! And don't forget to watch my other videos!
Rototank for all your water, chemical, transport, septic, underground, and silo tanks. Rototank, designed to last.